My name is Divya. My friend name is Kajal. We are studying in 9th standard KPS KR School. I am here to present our project IoT based smart mushroom farming system. This innovation addresses a major challenge in mushroom cultivation, the difficulty of maintaining ideal environment conditions such as temperature, humidity, soil moisture and light intensity. Mushrooms are highly sensitive to these factors and manual monitoring often lead to crops damage and financial loss. In today's world where smart agriculturing is gaining importance, often a low-cost automated solution using IoT and sensor to protect crops and empower farming. Mushrooms are recover pest control of environment conditions. However, farmers often rely on manual checks, which are time consuming, inconsistently and prone to error. In one real case, a farmer executed related to losing due to sudden change in temperature and moisture level. Without real time monitoring, mushrooms can spoil quickly, leading to wasted effort and income. There is a clean needed of an affordable automated system that continuously monitors the farmer's environment and alert farmers before damaging occupants. Remaining my friend will explain.
Our system uses ESP32 microcontroller connect to DHT11 sensor for temperature and humidity, soil moisturizer sensor, LDR for light intensity, LCD display for local monitoring, Blink IoT platform for remote access. Sensor, this is temperature and humidity sensors. This is LDR sensors, this is display, light. Here is the micro ESP32. If soil moisture increase 80 above, light will indicate green light. If temperature and humidity increase 30, then yellow light will indicate. In this room have LDR sensors, no light means darkness, so it's not indicate. If lightning indicate, if darkness is there. The ESP32 collect data from all sensors display on the LCD and sending into the blank apps. If any value will cross the safety threshold, then system triggers alert to warn the farmers instantly. No manual checking required.
This is Blink dashboard. In this Blink dashboard we created by